Hi, my name is Julie.
Michael,
Steven,
Seth,
Joy,
Brian,
Austin,
Cody,
Kate,
Jesse, Josh,
Lucy,
David,
Rochelle,
Matthew,
Chantel,
Brevin,
Lois,
Kenneth,
Harry,
Dylan,
Zach,
Timothy,
Mike,
Hans,
Matthew, and I'm a student teacher.
Hebrew professor.
Professor.
I'm a student at Sattler College, and
we
we want
wanna
to meet you.
Are you looking for a training ground you can trust? Come to Boston to engage with our students, faculty, and staff. Visit our campus and get your questions answered. Register now and reserve your spot at our open house on December 15th. We hope to see you there.
Alright, starting to record from the beginning. I'll make sure that you.
That is in the bloopers, please.
Yeah.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
We should